How to install C++ extension in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left, you can see this extension button. Simply tap on this extension button. So this is the place where you can easily install and add other extension. Now on the top at the search bar, search for C++. So it will give you a lot of suggestion. So make sure you choose the right one. Here you'll be able to see one, and now simply tap on install. So it will take some time, and later you'll be able to import C++ into this. Now tap on Trust Publisher, and it will take some time to get installed, and later you'll be able to use this programming language too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.